Yes, blessed to the 12 tribe of Israel. And first and foremost, we have to give all thanks and praise unto the Most High Yah and His beloved Son Yahweh Shai. Today I'll be making some BOK, CHOY, ACKEE and SALTFISH with boiled food. So, catch you on the next cooking adventure. And first and foremost, I want to thank all my subscribers out there who subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you watch my videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Shalom. This is the pot I have on to boil my food. So the first thing I'm putting in the pot of water is a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vegetable oil. So instead of making plain dumpling today, I'm going to be making some banana dumpling. So in this bowl I have 3 green banana grated up. So what I'm adding to it now is a cup of flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this in first and then see after if I need to add water. So see, I mixed it up already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to gradually add water to it until it forms the dough. So my dough is all done. So right now my water is boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my dumpling in first. So the next thing I'm putting in my pot is the white yam. So this pot is for my ACKEE, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my ACKEE in to boil. So the ACKEE is in the pot, so I'm going to boil this for like 2 to 3 minutes. So the next thing I'm putting in my pot to boil is the cassava. And then the cocoa. So yes people, so this is all my ingredients that I'm going to be using to cook my BOK, CHOY, ACKEE and SALTFISH. So I got my garlic, onion, thyme, fine leaf thyme, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So the first thing I'm going to be putting in the pot is this onion and the garlic. So the onion and the garlic is in, so as well as 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to be sauteing this for like a minute. So my onion is finished sauteing down and my garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these remaining ingredients in. My broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So those are in. So what I'm going to add now is the saltfish. So the saltfish is in, so I'm adding right now the ACKEE. So adding in now my dry seasoning, so half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, pimento seed, and a teaspoon of chicken soup base. And right now the BOK, CHOY. And last thing I'm going to add is the crushed ground black pepper. So the fresh ground black pepper is in, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this, let it stew down for like 3 minutes. So BOK, CHOY, and ACKEE and SALTFISH is ready. And my boiled food is ready as well. So catch me when I show you. So yes, family, so this is what dinner look like for me tonight. I got my bok choy with ackee and saltfish and boiled food. So remember, if you like the recipe here, you can always drop it down in the comment section. And family, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can give you new content all the time. So shalom.